In this video, we'll learn how to limit the amount of characters a user can type into an input field. So let's first select the input field, open the inspector tool by clicking on the inspector icon or pressing Ctrl K. Let's go to the Properties tab and double click on the value column next to Custom Script. Ensure that Object Events is selected, and then we'll type in max length equals double quote and the number of characters we would like to set the limit to, another double quote, make sure there are no spaces in this code, and just change the number to whatever you want to set the limit to. Click OK. Then we can preview the website. Let's go to the input field that we just modified and try to type in more than 5 characters. And as you can see, we can't type in more than 5, so it worked perfect. And to modify the other input fields is the same exact steps. So go ahead and modify those if you'd like. Save your document and upload your website when you're ready.